there seems to be a mad rush amongst opposition parties and politicians to extract the maximum political mileage out of the Sambhal violence. Day after, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav raised the issue on the floor of the House in Parliament. Today, it is the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, who is now headed to Sambhal. In fact, is attempting to reach to Sambhal. He will be accompanied by 5 other Congress MPs from Uttar Pradesh as well. And significantly, the newly elected Wayanad MP and his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also likely to accompany the delegation. Now, this development is coming to light when there are curbs and restrictions that have already been put in place by the administration that at least till the 10th of this month, that is 10th of December, no outsiders will be allowed in Sambhal. And remember, directions that came in from the Supreme Court, from the top court, to the administration in Uttar Pradesh saying that there shouldn't be any incidents of violence that should come in or to be reported from Sambhal anymore. However, politics taking center stage over Sambhal violence that is now escalated with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi expected to visit Sambhal today. And ahead of this visit to Sambhal, Rahul Gandhi this morning has reached the residence of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. This morning pictures that are coming in on your screens as both of them are expected to leave for Sambhal today. So sometime that would be required from the national capital to reach Sambhal by road, and to cover that distance, to cover that area, we are already looking at 2 delegations on part of the opposition. First, it was the Samajwadi Party last Saturday, and then 2 days later, it was the Congress Party delegation that was stopped up from even leaving their offices, leave alone reaching Sambhal. We have Sabyasachi joining us right now. Our team of reporters there in different locations will be also getting us the live updates, exactly what's going to happen now, expectantly, because when it comes to Sabyasachi, good morning. Samajwadi Party delegation stopped. Leaders from the Congress, they were even placed under house arrest despite them camping at the Lucknow Congress Party office. Now what we are talking about is the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and the new MP of Wayanad, Priyanka Gandhi, and other MPs from the Congress Party are expected to visit Sambhal. What can happen today?
Well, that's right. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other MPs of the Congress Party would try to attempt to visit Sambhal, but it seems that they won't be able to because of the security arrangements that has been put in place. Because the DM of Sambhal had already written a letter to the police commissioner of Gautam Budh Nagar, Ghaziabad, Amroha and Bulandshahr, and they have asked them to stop the convoy of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other MPs from the Congress Party from entering into Sambhal. Now the DM specifically mentioned that the inquiry commission is in Sambhal and they would be here till the 10th of December to look at the larger picture, to look at the larger conspiracy behind the attack that took place. Now, till that inquiry commission is there, nobody from outside would be allowed to enter into Sambhal, whether it is any social worker or public representative. Nobody would be allowed to hamper with the law and order situation in Sambhal, and that is the reason why strict security measures had been taken by the Uttar Pradesh administration. Now the Congress Party, despite the prohibitory orders in place, Mr. Rahul Gandhi along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other MPs of the Congress Party, still they would try to attempt to reach Sambhal, and the party workers here have started to gather at 10 Janpath, and around 10 am is the expected time when Mr. Rahul Gandhi would leave for Sambhal along with the other MPs.
All right, we'll be keeping an eye out exactly what happens today, because as Sabyasachi suggested, that even when it comes to the border areas of Delhi and Uttar Pradesh, where this route is expected to pass, that area security that has also been heightened. Meanwhile, we'll tell you exactly what happened with the previous Congress Party delegation that attempted to send a delegation to Sambhal on Monday, but it was stopped by the police and the administration. On Tuesday, a team of Congress leaders finally met with the families who were made to speak to Rahul Gandhi over the phone. Now, Congress Party says that this is the denial of permission. It seems to be an attempt by the UP administration to stop the truth from coming out.
तनाव के बिना ये चुनाव नहीं जीत सकते। राहुल गांधी इस नाम से ये लोग कांपते हैं, इतना कांपते हैं कि अगर राहुल गांधी जी संभल जाना चाहते हैं, उन परिवारों से मिलने जाना चाहते हैं जिन्होंने अपने बच्चे खोए हैं, तो इनको घबराहट होती है राहुल गांधी को उत्तर प्रदेश में घुसने से कैसे रोकें, ये षड्यंत्र रचे जा रहे हैं।
संभल में शांति कायम करने के लिए समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के लोग संभल जाना चाहते हैं। वहां संभल में जो लोग घायल हुए हैं उनका उपचार नहीं हो रहा है। हम लोग जाकर के वहां पर घायल लोगों को समुचित इलाज का मुआवजा और धनराशि देने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, लेकिन भाजपा की सरकार हम लोगों को संभल जाने नहीं दे रही है।